Hello everyone, welcome back to Kredict, and this is we are in day 36 of Learn Blockchain Development Challenge in just 45 days. So we are developing a swap dapp named application, which is generally a token swap application, which is built on Sepolia Etherscan, and we have already deployed the contract, and we are building now the front end part while integrating the smart contract. So we have seen a lot here, and we have done a very really, very good job, you can say. Yeah, here is our application. We have enabled connect wallet button. We have enabled this thing also in just last video, and now we are going to fetch the rate from chain, because let me check if OBS is recording or not. Okay, yeah, it's working fine. Let's minimize this. Yes, sorry for that. Okay, so here we have rate which is fixed for now, but we know that, oh, not OBS. Okay, but we know that our smart contract has a variable says rate, which is a public, and why to fix a value if we are going to change in some situations, because we are going to create a completely decentralized application and not going to hard code anything, because that's not a good thing to keep a updatable website. Yeah, you got the point. So just quickly fetch the rate from the smart contract. We have a smart contract address, we have ABI, so we can do that easily. And if we check our ABI, we have that function says rate. Just scroll down. Here is token. Swap token is a function. Yeah, here you can see here is a function, because we know that solidity automatically creates a getter function for a public variable. So here we have a rate named function which returns the u into 56, which is actually the rate of our swap. So just minimize this ABI, and for reading on the blockchain we must have the web3 JS library integrated. We have integrated in this, I think, 2 or 3 videos earlier. You can find the link from CDNJ as deliver. Let me show you if we are not in the same page. Just search for web3 JS. Here is the official documentation, and for CDN just search for CDN web3 JS. Web3 JS. So you can click on this website and get the CDN link. So we are going to read from blockchain, and we can get the documentation handy, and we can see how we can do that. So for this, just go to contract web3.contract. Okay, and here you can see methods, where we have some methods. Okay, just options, default chain, new contract. We are not going to deploy new contract, we are using our own, which we have already deployed using remix IDE. Okay, so I think somewhere here it's deploy. Yeah, here it is, methods. We can call methods using these type of thing, but first of all we have to create instance of our contract. So just, why it's so confusing, just go for methods. Yeah, here we can create a contract instance, but it's new eth.contract. We are going to use our web3 thing, not the ethereum thing. Okay, yeah, here we have web3.eth, so we can do this in the other way around. I'm just looking for a exact thing that I can show you, and in case you are not getting it, you can go and check out documentation and get the exact idea what we are going to do. But it seems it's a little bit confusing here. Yeah, but if you have our previous source code which we have developed, I think if I'm going to click on new window, just Okay, we have the previous application also here. Just click on this 45 days send ETH. Just open this in VS Code, maximize it. Just open the script.js. We have this source code in the last application which we have developed. You can see the title of the videos. I'm not sure on which day we have completed this, but you can go and check out the description. There the source code is available, and you can see we have done a lot of thing here. Yeah, this is how we create a token contract instance, which is we have already seen like web3 e.contract with the new keyword and the ABI and token address, and then we can fetch the details using the method. Okay, so this is only for reference. We are going to write it on our own. So here you can see here is the documentation. If you go above, just click on methods. Yeah, here we go. So let's do this. So how we are going to fetch the rate when the application is started, or you can say loaded, we are going to do this. Okay, but after the wallet connection, because we are relying on user wallet connection to fetch all the things. So here we are connecting the wallet, and we can make it a let, because constant we cannot update the constant, and for now I'm going to keep it 0, because we can see the difference if the value is coming from blockchain or it's just the random value which we have already written there. Okay, so here we have connected our wallet. We have changed the, just make some space here. You can see we have the web3. We can sorry, we can also fetch this from the window.web3, but we have directly access to it. So I'm just going to create a const here, and what we can say, swap contract equal to new the web3 dot eth dot contract. Okay, and what we have to pass, you can see here we have to pass ABI and address. So just pass here, not ABI, which we have swap ABI comma swap address. Okay. Okay, so here we have our swap contract which says web3.eth.contract swap ABI swap address. The C should be capital, just make it capital, because here we can see the C is capital. So now we have our swap contract. Now we can fetch the balance. So how you can do that, just create a variable says constant swap rate equal to swap contract dot methods dot, I think we are going right, just go down here. Just check for it. Here you can see the contract name, the method, and the method name, which is for now is I think the rate. So here is the rate. Okay, so just write here dot rate, and this is not going to take any parameter, and just call this, and this is a waiting execution, because this may take some time to fetch value from blockchain, so we have to write here await. Okay, and for now I'm just going to print it here. Okay, just save the file. You can see the application is automatically reloaded by live server. Just click on connect wallet. Okay, something goes wrong, cannot read properties of undefined reading rate. What is this? I'm not sure. On line number 94. Okay, 94, the thing here, the rate equal to swap rate. The rate is here. I think it's methods, not method. It's methods, yes. Just write methods. Save it. Come back here. Click on connect wallet. and you can see we have get the value which is 1000 and n, because it's a big integer, that's why it has n in last. So we can simply convert it to a normal integer. We can say parse int. Okay, so just save again, come back here, connect wallet, and you can see we have now a actual integer, and if we type the value we will get the result as we are expecting. Okay, not saving this. Okay, so we have now fetching the value from blockchain and it's working just fine. Whenever at what instance the wallet is connected, it automatically fetch the rate from the blockchain and update to our variable, and we can later use that variable to calculate the return amount of tokens which we are going to get when we swap a particular amount for tokens. Okay, so I think you will get everything here. Just check again, the value is here, just put some number, you can see the token amount. Okay, so it's working fine. I'm going to remove this console log. So here it is, just remove this console log, and now our application is good up to this part. So this is only for this thing. We are going to see further functionalities and all those features in upcoming videos. This is all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching Kredict and stay safe.